Ever wondered how a serene salt cave can transform your health and well-being? Discover the magic of Himalayan salt bricks and their incredible benefits. Start by measuring your space and planning the perfect ventilation and lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere. Clean the area thoroughly and apply a waterproofing membrane to protect your structure from moisture. Mix the salt-compatible mortar and begin laying the Himalayan salt bricks from the bottom up, ensuring each brick is level and secure. Once the bricks are set, install a ventilation system to maintain proper air circulation and humidity control. Add soft, warm lighting fixtures to enhance the soothing environment of your salt cave. For the flooring, choose between laying salt tiles with mortar or spreading a layer of loose salt for a more natural feel. Arrange comfortable seating options like zero-gravity chairs or salt beds to maximize relaxation. Enhance the ambiance with additional salt lamps, candles, and other decorative elements. Experience the numerous health benefits, from improved respiratory and skin health to